Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the Eastline Residences and we're on the 25th floor. So this is a very premium floor. Anything 20, I believe it's 24 or above, you're gonna have a little bit more premium feel here. So let's walk through it and get a feel. First of all, you've got a nice guest bath right there, and that's really nice for guests, of course. And then look at this feel here. Wow, I love the floor to ceiling windows with some spectacular views. We got to explore that right now. Look at this. So you've got some sensational views of the city right here. Wow, just pretty phenomenal. This is a really good feature of being this high up. Now you do have beautiful other features here too, though. Look at this. So this is the kitchen. The kitchen's super elegant. You've got a really nice, basically island that's here. It sticks out. It's really very big. It's probably, you could put 4, maybe even 5 chairs under there pretty easily. You've got very nice appliances. These are GE appliances that are here, built in. You've got really nice stove there, GE microwave, and then lots of good storage space over there. So I love it because everything's really, this is very whitish. It's a quartz, and then it blends really well into this white wall. Wow, this feels great. You've also got a wine fridge down here, and then just storage space under here too. This is very attractive and nice. You've got some balcony over here, so we'll take a look at that. Actually, let's just pop out and see it real quick. See if we can get that open. And if we can't, we won't. So there we go. Okay, so you got balcony space. Maybe 2 people could be out here, maybe even 3. And then you've got these kind of views here. It's a great area of town. There's so much here. There's a Kroger, by the way, over there. And then there's this trail access. We are going to get to that, but that's going to be out here. You're going to love that trail access. All right, so now let's see part 2. We're going to see the bedroom and the bathroom of this one bedroom here at the Eastline Residences. Hey, if you're ready for a tour at any time, or if you just want to ask some questions, send me a text. That's my personal cell number below. There's no faster way to get great service or to set up tours than to just text me, and I'll get working with you right away, and we'll just say hi and go from there. Hey, let's go inside the bedroom and the bathroom. So we're going to go to a part 2 video for this one bedroom at the Eastline. Let's go right now.